This is the first video of Chapter 1, more about factorization of polynomials. Let's have a revision on what we have learned in Form 1. In Form 1, we know that these expressions are polynomials of degree 2. Such polynomials are called quadratic polynomials. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to factorize the quadratic polynomials. In this video, we are going to learn how to factorize them by cross method. Let's see an example. We have to factorize this quadratic polynomial. First of all, we should have a rough worksheet. Write down the x squared term and the constant term. Find the factors of them, and then do the cross, which means the cross multiplication. We have positive x and positive 6 here. Add them together. We've got positive 7x, which is exactly the same as the middle term of the expression. We have the answer then. By seeing the cross horizontally, we can write down the answers directly. Of course, you can also expand your answer to check whether you are correct or not. Let's see another example. Also, we should have a rough worksheet first. Write down the x squared term and the constant term, and then write down the factors of them. However, since the coefficient of x is negative, while the constant term is positive, the correct pair of factors must be both negative. Okay, then do the cross. We find that the result doesn't match the middle term. Don't worry, since there are many pairs of factors of 18. We can do more trials to find the correct pair. 18 has factors minus 2 and minus 9 as well. It doesn't match again. Never mind, let's try one more. 18 has factors minus 3 and minus 6 as well. Finally, it matches. We've got the correct answer. After doing more exercise, you may even find the answer by mental calculations soon. For example, you may reveal that the coefficient of x, the minus 9, equals to minus 3 plus minus 6. Therefore, you will get the answer instead of listing all the trials. Okay, let's see a more difficult example. We have a rough worksheet. Write down the x squared term and the constant term, and then write down the factors of them. Be aware that the constant term is a negative number, so the factors should be one positive and one negative. You may not get the answer in the first trial. Do more trials. Be patient. You will finally get the answer. In this case, actually we can skip the first trial and the second trial, since the coefficient of x is positive 2, which can't be obtained by adding or subtracting 1 and 15. Therefore, I will suggest you to start with the third and the fourth trial next time. Here comes the final example. In this case, you can see that the x squared term is in the middle of the expression. So, let's arrange the terms in descending powers of x first. After rearranging the terms, we reveal that the coefficient of x squared is negative. In order to make it simple, we take out the common factor minus 1 of the whole expression. Then, do the trials as what we have done before. Check the x term. Finally, we have got the answer. However, there is an alternative answer by not taking out the minus sign. This answer is also acceptable, but you can see that this is not so symmetric, so I won't recommend you to do this.